That this group must somehow form a family. That's the way we all became the Brady Bunch. The Brady Bunch. The Brady Bunch. That's the way we became the Brady Bunch. That this group must somehow form a family. That's the way we all became the Brady Bunch. The Brady Bunch. The Brady Bunch. That's the way we became the Brady Bunch.
Hi, I'm Joe Apicel, principal of Orange Avenue School. We'd like to welcome you to the 2020 school year and to this year's open house. We're so excited to see all of our students.
Hi, I'm Shannon Selesky. I'm the teacher leader of Orange Avenue School. We know that this year is going to be so extremely different, and we just want to go over some new procedures with you. Thanks for joining us.
We know that attendance is extremely important at Orange Avenue. We want to see all our students here, but want to make sure that they're healthy. Students who are not feeling well should stay home. The school attendance line is no longer the way to report a student absence. A new requirement for the 2020-21 school year is for parents and guardians to fill out the attendance absence form within PowerSchool anytime their child is absent. This form is easy to fill out and is necessary to record absences for both students who are in person and distance learning. If you're dropping off a forgotten item for your child, please utilize the cart located to the right of the main entrance. Our greeter checks the cart routinely and will make sure that your child receives the items. We ask that you place your child's name and teacher on a label for a smooth delivery process. Arrival and dismissal at Orange Avenue has been continuously improving. Please remember that all vehicles must utilize a drop-off and pickup loop. Vehicles should not park on Orange Avenue and walk across the parking lot. For drop-off and pickup, cars should pull forward as much as possible. For pickup, please hang your car tag in your rearview mirror for ease of identifying vehicles. Thank you for your flexibility and patience as we continue to improve this process. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for joining us at our virtual open house. We also appreciate your patience and flexibility during this school year.
And we know it's going to take everyone working together, so that we encourage you to join our fabulous PTA, and we are all in this together. Thank you very much.